need freedom from waste. We want freedom from pollution. God, please help us. कचरे से आज़ादी कब? We want freedom from waste. Citizen pays tax, shouts, cries, fights for solutions. We want freedom from waste. Cities with high population are facing waste management issues. Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Chennai, Lucknow, Ahmedabad, Surat, Hyderabad, Pune, many others. India Swachh City Ranking. भारत के शहरवासी प्रति वर्ष 3,000 करोड़ रुपए टैक्स देकर अपने कचरे को कहीं और फेंकवाते हैं. 3,000 rupees per annum tax every citizen pays just to throw away wet waste. 15,000 plus approx trucks, tempos carries and throws the waste from home to landfill. Trucks add traffic on road and pollution in air. Deonar, India's largest dumping ground. Landfills adds to pollution equals greenhouse gases equals health problems. Impact of greenhouse gases and air pollution kills 2%, that is 1 crore human across India. Your municipality collects tons 70% wet plus 30% dry of waste daily. कचरे से आज़ादी कब? हमें आसान उपाय चाहिए. We all need suitable and profitable option. Solution of food waste is at our doorstep. जागो भारत जागो. कचरे से कमाई अब by group of young civil engineers. Gru Sankalp Sanstha NGO. All wet food waste must be recycled at a home. कचरे से खाद, खाद से पौधा. स्वच्छ भारत, keep India clean, an initiative startup by Young Civil Engineers Group. Young professional supporter. Few smart volunteers, students. Promotion support by Rex BMC PMC, architects and engineers, techno legal finance advisors, building का doctor. Tumbler set at Oshiwara. गीला कचरे से खाद मैन्योर ब्लैक गोल्ड बनाने की मशीन. ऑर्गेनिक मैन्योर ब्लैक गोल्ड वेट वेस्ट कंपोस्टिंग टम्बलर. वाई प्लास्टिक ड्रम्स readily available, cheaper, portable, saves time and space, longer lifespan, etc. Wet food waste to organic manure in 30 days. The process. Part 1. Segregate food waste at home in 2 bins. Saves labor, time and space during process. 50 kg of food wasted per person per year in Indian homes, UNEP. Safai Wala to collect waste in separate bins. Search and remove dry waste and plastics. Add 5% ready vermicompost. Ready compost provides essential worms and bacteria for decomposing process for the raw wet waste. Mixing up with compost materials. Add 5% cocoa peat powder. Cocoa peat powder soaks up the nutritional liquid from wet waste, reduces the foul smell and process time. Even mixing up with cocoa peat material. Deposit mixed shredded waste into tumbler daily. Fill up drum one at a time. Keep it close to allow heat built up. Multiple holes at drum allows air and oxygen for the composting process. Fill up to 80% of drum capacity equals 180 liter. First drum full, repeat the same for second. Clean up the drum before filling up next waste. Once filled up, close it. Pack it up. Heat and oxygen speeds up the composting process. Rotate the drum 5 times a day for 15 days. Rotation ensures mixing up and breaking up of waste particles. Check out the composted material. Check to ensure moist, soil-like material. Take out the composted material manure. It may require few hours of sun-dry process. Sieve the composted material manure. Ready for sale at Rs 25 per kg. Rupees 24,000 one-time investment for 25 flats home. Earn Rupees 10,000 per year lifetime. Plus save earn rebate on residential property tax. Help reduce traffic and pollution. The benefit process. Please watch part 2 वीडियो. रसोई के कचरे से खाद बनाएं और अपनी बिल्डिंग में ही खाद से जैविक सब्जी उगाने की आसान तरीका अपनाएं. To know more info about, feel free to watch following YouTube video. Also many others available by sincere citizens of India. Please join Start Same at your place. For more info about what is waste management, how to start at building, how to aware residents, how to save, earn money, how MCGM helps, to know about wet waste management by Building Cut Doctor Rex BMC PMC. Mail your queries to buildingcadoctorrex@gmail.com. Guru Sankalp Sanstha @ymail.com. Health Sangh Wealth @gmail.com. 8108 444 544. NGO Affordable Sustainable Housing Guru Sankalp Sanstha, non-government organization. Social service supports and promotes affordable home and sustainable job for poor people. EWS LIG. Guided, advised, helped 2000 plus people at MMR in last 12 years. By Rex Group, Rex Concor Consultants Private Limited. For more details, visit website, mail your queries, call us. Visit, like, share, subscribe, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Rex BMC PMC, Building Ka Doctor. Thank you. धन्यवाद।